What's up everyone, my name is Costa, and nothing will make you feel sharp, elegant, and powerful like wearing a suit. However, to feel that way, you need to follow a few rules and make sure that you're not making the mistakes that I see a lot of guys out there make. So today I put together a list of 10 common mistakes that I see guys making when wearing a suit, and of course, how to fix them so you can look and feel amazing. Mistake number one is wearing a smartwatch with their suits. Wearing an Apple Watch with your suit is not a good idea, all right? The Apple Watch, it's just sporty, right? It's not elegant and it's not timeless like a good suit should be. There are some smartwatches out there that look like a regular watch and you might be able to get away with those, but if you have a regular watch at home and you want to wear a suit, put those two together and leave the smartwatch behind. Number two, not removing the tag stitching. I see so many guys who completely forget to remove those, mostly because they're scared they're gonna ruin their suit somehow, when in fact, they're meant to be removed. They're meant to be cut. And you can find the tag stitching in a few different places, like the jacket shoulder sometimes, or the pockets, or even in the vents in the back here as well. All you have to do though is grab a pair of scissors and then snip them off. Number three is wearing too many accessories when you're rocking a suit. Remember guys, most of the time, when you're wearing a suit, you're going for a classy, timeless look. Not really the best outfit to wear 6 or 7 rings and bracelets with it. I see so many guys on like Instagram wearing a deep V-neck, 3 necklaces, and a bunch of rings, right, with a suit, and it's not the proper way of wearing a suit. That doesn't mean you can't wear accessories, and as a matter of fact, I think you should. But keep it to a minimum, maybe a watch, glasses, and if you really want to go edgy, then just go with 1 or 2 rings max. And that should do the trick. You know, no need to go crazy here. The next and probably the biggest mistake I see guys making is not getting their suits tailored. The most important things when it comes to suits is how they fit. They need to fit perfectly, guys. The sleeves are extremely important. The trousers, right? And this will change the look of the suit completely, so make sure that you're getting them tailored properly. And if you want to take it one step further and get a suit that will literally fit you perfectly, right, from top to bottom, then you should look into getting a custom suit made from today's sponsor, Indochino. Indochino has premium but affordable suits that are made to measure, right? They're made just for you. And you can order them from the comfort of your home. All you gotta do is go on the website, enter your measurements, which they tell you exactly how to take. Or you can just schedule an appointment in one of their stores and go there, meet the team, get measured, and then order your suit right from the store. You can literally select from hundreds of fabrics and personalization options, including lapels, the pockets, the linings, and monograms like the one that I got right here. The suit is then made from your precise measurements, right? And then it's shipped directly to your doorstep within 3 weeks. I have 4 suits from them and the quality is amazing. They have high standards and I love that they're very serious and committed to making sure that your suit fits perfectly. And it also looks and feels amazing. After you receive your suit, if you need any type of adjustments, they'll actually reimburse you for up to a certain amount you spend at the tailor, which shows their level of commitment. Both of the suits that you've been seeing in today's video are actually from them, as well as this one here, which you guys have seen already a few times on my channel, which I actually really love. I brought it to London, made that lookbook there. So go check them out and you can use my code Costa to get a premium custom-made suit for $359, which is a crazy price. But also, if you rush to their website right now, they're having their Black Friday sale, so you can get even better deals. I'm gonna leave their link in the description right below the video, so make sure you go check them out. Next guys, if you're gonna wear a suit, please make sure that you're bringing your nice wallet with you. Pulling out a Velcro wallet when you're wearing a suit is one of the worst mistakes you can ever make. They just don't go together. What I would recommend is a nice leather wallet. Ideally, you want something that's a little bit thinner, right? That's not gonna be bulky inside your jacket pocket, or you can just put it in your back pocket and it's not gonna be that huge bulge in the back, which you definitely don't want. You know, you want something classy, something that won't embarrass you when you're pulling out to pay for that dinner date, or when you're pulling your ID out at the bar, the club, wherever you are. Card holders are actually great with suits as well, right? They're small, they fit right into your pockets easily, and they carry everything that you need without adding bulk to your fit. Number 6, buttoning the last or the bottom button of your jacket. 3-button jackets are pretty common, but in the last few decades, suits have definitely trended towards having just the 2-button jackets like this one here. But regardless, guys, you should never button these bottom buttons here, all right? Plus, a little bonus here, guys. If you're standing, you can button up your jacket here, not the bottom one, of course. But when you're sitting, what I would recommend is definitely unbutton everything so that you can sit and be comfortable and you're not adding all of that pressure on this top button here. Or maybe I ate a little too much pizza last night, but you know what I mean. Mistake number 7 is thinking that you always have to wear a shirt and a tie with a suit. That is not true at all. Don't think that you guys always have to button up all the way up top here and then wear a tie. Of course, that is the classic look, right? But if you want to experiment, then go ahead, experiment a little bit here, you know? I'm not the biggest fan of ties, to be honest. I think they're stuffy, they make it hard to move my neck around. They're pretty uncomfortable overall, honestly, just uncomfortable. So whenever I can, I go for something like a nice t-shirt or even a nice turtleneck underneath. In my opinion, turtlenecks are comfortable, they're cozy, but they're still elegant and dressy, right? So why not change it up a little bit and experiment, right? And if you want to wear just a t-shirt underneath, you can, but you have to make sure that you're wearing something nice. I wouldn't wear your old V-neck, right? Try something thicker, more luxurious to go with your nice suit. Next up, guys, forgetting to remove the tags and the logos, right? This one is super quick and I think it's obvious sometimes, but honestly, I thought I should mention it because I have seen some guys do this. Some suits, they come with logos, they come with tags on the sleeves here sometimes right there and other places as well, but make sure that you cut them off, right? Remove them completely. You're not supposed to leave them and keep that big logo there, okay? So don't be afraid to remove it. You're not gonna ruin the suit. Number 9, getting a trendy suit. What I mean by that is getting a suit that looks cool now, just because that style is trending, right? Whether it's a pink suit because it's all over the red carpet or whatever reason, right? You see your favorite celebrities wearing it at the Oscar this year. And what I mean by that is getting a suit that looks cool now because you know, it's trending in the red carpet for the Oscars or something, or you saw your favorite actor or celebrity wearing it in the red carpet, right? It could be like a pink suit, it could be suits with shorts, which I've seen before. Don't do it, right? If you're gonna spend money on a suit, get the classics first. Black, navy blue, gray. Once you have those, then sure, you know, you can experiment, have fun, but I'd still go with something like tan or burgundy, light gray and dark gray, etc. If you spend a lot of money on trendy suits, then you're probably gonna wanna wear it just once or twice, and that's really it. It's not gonna be cool again next year. And number 10, guys, matching the tie with your pocket square. Now, there's no need to do that. It's too matchy-matchy, you know? You might wanna pull colors here and there from each other, but definitely stay away, especially from patterns, right? Because that's when it becomes a little bit too much. Guys, don't forget to check out today's video sponsor, Indochino, to make sure that you're getting an amazing deal on a custom-made suit made to your measurements. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video. Click that like button. Now I become part of the YouTube family, and then follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa. We're closing in on 500,000 followers, which is crazy. That's a lot of people. That's 500,000 people, and I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.